This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Ooh, a challenge puzzle. Challenge puzzles are lessons designed to stretch your brain. Great. Just do the best you can. We will. I'm ready. Challenge. Debug this level by rearranging, adding, and deleting blocks. Rearranging. Okay, that's a lot of stuff. Let's see what it does right now. I'm going to click run. That was not promising. So forward, forward. Oh, right away I fall off. Okay. And remember, we can always use step to see the individual blocks. That's once. And I'm gone. So that's an extra forward. I'm going to just take this out and see what happens. Keep in mind we have 7 blocks in use right now, and we can use up to 9. Let's hit run. Oop, that was the wrong way. Let's turn left. And then if I go forward twice and turn left, ooh, I think that's going to get us close. Remember, code always runs in order, so when you read it, just go one line at a time. I just turned right now. That would be a problem. We do not want to jump to our death. So we should turn left like we were, and then move forward. Now, if I move forward and I turn right, I'm super close to that acorn. Do we have any blocks yet? Yep. We can still use one more. Good, because I think we need to move forward. We got it! That one was tricky. Awesome. Onward.